Hello everyone, we are here to present you the H2-REnWaste, a project developed under the Ci2 Smart Cities Research Center from the Polytechnic Institute of Tomar. This project aims the production of hydrogen with renewable energy using wastewater. The H2-REnWaste project intends to implement a demonstrator system of hydrogen production using only renewable energy sources and through electrolysis of treated wastewater. Water electrolysis can be an efficient, clean, and promising alternative technology for hydrogen production, and this technique could be integrated well with available renewable sources, such as solar, wind, or hydropower. As most human and industrial activities lead to enormous wastewater generation, the integration of wastewater treatment by electrolysis with simultaneous hydrogen production, powered by renewable sources, can be a way to improve the economy of green hydrogen. This work is integrated in the Ci2 thematic area Sustainable Resources Management, as environmental concerns regarding the high demand for energy are one major issue, as human civilization is accompanied by an ever-growing need for energy. There is a global effort to reduce greenhouse gas emissions associated with fossil fuels, as their use has a tremendous destructive environmental impact, such as climate change. In this respect, green hydrogen can play an important role. The goal is to install an electrolyser at the IPT campus. In order to explore the potential of producing green hydrogen, the electrolyser will be integrated with the existing IPT solar farm, a photovoltaic system, together with a hydrogen storage system and a small fuel cell for re-electrification. For this purpose, in addition to using energy from renewable sources, green hydrogen in this case, in order to make the process even greener and to maximize its relevance, wastewater will be used in the hydrogen production process. Thus, the treatment of wastewater is necessary to achieve high hydrogen purity and process efficiency. The plant will be operated in multiple emulated configurations such as energy storage, microgrid, and fuel production, depending on the IPT power needs. This project is aligned with the priority areas of the National Strategy in Energy, in particular, energy efficiency of buildings and renewable energy, and water and environment regarding reduction, management, treatment, and recovery of waste. It is also in line with the societal challenges, safe, non-polluting, and efficient energy, in climate action, environment, resource efficiency, and raw materials. The expected contributions of this project are to acquire experience in the field of green hydrogen production, to develop techniques of water treatment and water reuse for hydrogen production, and to improve the environment and reduce the greenhouse effect. Regarding the Sustainable Development Goals, this work is aligned with the 6, 7, 9, 11, 13, and 17 goals. So, what is our vision? Photovoltaic systems or other renewable sources present in the campus can be used to produce hydrogen from wastewater. This hydrogen can be applied for mobility and other uses, and the treated water can be reused, alleviating the problem of water scarcity. Green hydrogen can also be used to obtain electricity to support and regulate the electrical grid through the use of fuel cells, using hydrogen previously produced by electrolysis. Finally, all processes can be integrated and managed according to the availability of renewable sources and the needs of the electricity grids. The activities and tasks to be developed are as follows. To build the hydrogen production plant, a research prototype, gather and analyze the data, design and implement a wastewater treatment system, and develop monitoring models and control systems. Hydrogen is increasingly seen as a very important energy vector, both at European and national levels. IPT must be at the forefront of the hydrogen area. Regarding the team, it is composed of the following elements: Carlos Pereira, Henrique Pinho, José Fernandes, Marco Cartacho, Mário Gomes, Paulo Coelho, and Valentim Nunes. Regarding partnerships, IPT is part of a working group created by the CIMT to turn the Médio Tejo into a hydrogen region. The H2-REnWaste project is supported by funding from FCT granted to Ci2 under the Programmatic Fund.